Rwanda, where life is peaceful. Kigali City the cleanest. Kigali City the cleanest. You have to see it to believe it. Oh, Rwanda, a disciplined nation, a nation of unity. No matter where you're from, you're welcome in our community. The fastest growing economy in Africa. That's no accident. In my opinion, this is what happened first. We built the foundation, now we building on top of it. Using technology to teach and educate. Investing in the youth and we ain't running out of it. We done been through a lot, but look at what we created. Visionary leaders innovating. Now look at where we are, and we going far. We're going up. I be getting lost in my city. I be getting lost in the views. Look at all the things we could do. If you come to my city, I could show you around, I could be a tour guide. Come and take a look at the other side. Look at all the things we could do. Rwanda. First, we built the foundation, now we building on top of it. Using technology to teach and educate. Investing in the youth and we ain't running out of it. We done been through a lot, but look at what we created. Visionary leaders innovating. Now look at where we are, and we going far.